She removed the fungus from her nails in 4 days thanks to this. It's not any joke. All people at some point in our lives, we are affected by some kind of fungus on our nails. One of the main reasons is the humidity of our feet and hands. After taking a bath, we have to dry our feet very well to avoid that we can develop fungus on our fingers and nails. In the case of women, being a victim of a fungus on the nails of the hands can be common if you are accustomed to using acrylic nails or if we do not have our own set of manicure and pedicure. Because using tools to pedicure a person with nail fungus can infect other people if they are not sterilized. The ingredients that are needed are 1. Ethyl alcohol at 90% concentration. 2. Lemon juice. 3. Avocado. Preparation: in a preferably glass container we will mix 90% ethyl alcohol and lemon juice in equal amounts, and we will add some crushed avocado. Using a cotton we will apply twice a day this remedy on the affected nails. After having washed the area very well and dried very well. When we develop this type of fungus on the nails, this can produce bad smell on our feet, apart from a very unpleasant appearance. In the case of women, this can be more easily disguised using dark enamel, as long as the nail has not lost its morphology because of the fungus.